obvious because in general we're used to seeing linear programs that when we solve them to optimality give us non-integer values for the variables. So for this problem, for instance, the optimal solution is x1 and x3 are both equal to 1 and x4 is equal to 25/32. Okay? So that's what you get when you solve the LP relaxation to the previous integer program. What happens when you round the solution to this problem to be integers? Because that's a way that we could imagine solving integer programs, right? Just forget about the integer constraint, solve it as a linear program, and then round the answer. What happens when you do that?
You have to round completely down for any, you have to round x4 to 0.
I don't know. That could be a strategy that we could try. Rounding x4 to 0 would be one strategy. Then we would have the solution x1 and x3 is equal to 1, x4 is equal to 0, and x5 is x2 and x5 are equal to 0. So that would give us one solution. It wouldn't be the optimal solution, right? Because the optimal solution was to take x1, x2, and x3. Okay? So this would be just saying take x1 and x3 and leave everything else. So that's clearly suboptimal if we round down. How about if we round up? So it was a good idea. Okay, if we round up, it's good. We're going to use up too much weight because it's going to be 36 plus 30, that's 66, plus 32, that's 98. So it's not feasible. Okay, so what we get by rounding up the optimal solution to the LP relaxation is not feasible. So solving these integer programming problems is going to present some kind of a challenge. We're starting to get that idea that we can't do the kind of obvious thing of just forgetting about the integer constraints, solving it as a linear program using something like the simplex method, and then rounding. Okay. So so that's an issue. And we'll come back to the idea of what it takes to solve integer programs toward the end. And then we'll hit that topic hard tomorrow or Thursday. Okay. Well, I guess I never finished my thought regarding, before I do this example, regarding what we're going to do for the remainder of the semester. So today is formulations of integer programs and a brief discussion of solving them. So it's sort of a relaxed and easy day because the stuff that we're going to do is not too challenging. Then a bit harder stuff on Thursday where we think about algorithms for solving integer